Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open a short trade on Bybit, whether you're using the app or the web version. Shorting on Bybit is very straightforward once you understand where everything is and how margin works. First, head to the futures trading section and choose the trading pair you want to short. For example, BTC USDT or Ethereum USDT. Once the page loads, make sure your position mode and leverage are set the way you want. If you're just starting out, keep your leverage low to reduce your risk. You can adjust leverage by tapping the number next to your trading pair and sliding it to your preferred level. Next, look at the order box. You'll see options like limit, market, or conditional. A market order will open instantly at the best available price, while a limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to enter at. Select whichever fits your strategy. Now all you have to do is enter your position size, either the amount of USDT you want to use or the quantity of the asset you want to trade. Once everything looks good, hit the sell/short button. That's the action that opens a short position, meaning you're betting on the price going down. The moment your order is executed, you'll see your position appear in the Positions tab, where you can monitor entry price, liquidation price, unrealized profit, and more. From there, you can also add take profit and stop loss to protect your trade and manage your risk. If the price drops in your favor, your short position will start generating profit, and you can close it anytime by tapping close and selecting market or limit. And that's how you open a short trade on Bybit in the easiest, clearest way possible. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more trading guides.